Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see about the Canva DOS overview on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. This video is just going to show about the Canva DOS overview or Canva DOS mobile overview, a Canva DOS tutorial for the beginners. So first of all, open your Canva application on your mobile phone. Click on the plus symbol. Now you have this option called DOS, or you can just search as DOS. Now you can find a document templates, a lot of document templates here. You can just choose any template to work with, or you can just make a free new template by clicking this here. So now you have created a new template here. So you have all the action tool on the bottom section. So like a template, you can just change it or elements, gallery, and upload everything. For an example, you have this option called invoice and lot other more options. So you can just use it, or you can just click on this double tap here. So you can find, you can just use insert your text, and you have the setting option to change the filters and colors and lot other more options. So I just go with elements, just template here. I'm just going to just select the invoice template. So it automatically inserted the invoice template here. You can just easily edit it. So click on the action option. So here you can find an option to insert a table, divider, page break, and everything you just needed. So this is a basic thing that you can just need to know about the Canva DOS on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.